Hey guys, it's Michaela and today I'm back here with another video. So, I'm playing with my slime and I'm going to be showing you guys how to make Flarp Putty